Hello participants, welcome to this lecture on relation of AI, machine learning and data science. A very general question may arise in your mind, is AI similar to data science or it is different? How data science is different than machine learning? Are all same? So in today's lecture, we will compare and contrast AI, machine learning and data science, which are vital parts in today's technological advancements. Just to have a review of previous lecture, we had seen motivation behind data science. We also discussed objectives and outcomes of the course, and we discussed operations of data science in last lecture. In current lecture, we will discuss data science versus machine learning, AI versus data science, and finally AI versus machine learning versus data science. First, we will see how data science and machine learning are related. Are both same or both are different? So this we'll see. So as we know, data science is an interdisciplinary field that merges scientific methods, processes, and algorithms on structured and unstructured data to extract knowledge and insights. Data science combines mathematics, statistics, computer science, and specific expertise to uncover pattern, trend, and relationships within data. As we have seen in last lecture, data science is a set of 5 operations or stages that includes data collection, data storage, data pre-processing, visualizing data, modeling and evaluation. So we have already seen these operations in last lecture, and in later weeks we will discuss in detail each operations. Now we will discuss machine learning and the basic concepts of machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that enables computers with human-like behavior and execute tasks that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning algorithms detect patterns and correlation within data set. Machine learning systems can make complex predictions and analysis that which is actually difficult or impossible to code manually. So machine learning automatically learn all these aspects. The fundamental principle of machine learning lies in its autonomous learning capability, where machines are fed data and allowed to learn from it without direct human manipulation during the learning phase. So this is the basic concept of machine learning. Now we'll see how machine learning and data science are related. Machine learning workflows is very much similar to data science that comes with data collection followed by pre-processing. Subsequently, the model is trained on training dataset to identify patterns and correlations. Following training, the model is then evaluated with a separate testing dataset to validate its performance. While these stages are familiar from the data science pipeline, the roles diverge post analysis. Data scientists typically interpret and report their findings, whereas machine learning engineers focus on the model's deployment, monitoring, and maintaining in a production environment. Machine learning is a specialized area within the broader field of artificial intelligence. playing a pivot role in data science operations and is thus a vital component of data scientist. However, data science is a broader field that not only includes machine learning but also incorporates techniques from statistics, mathematics, computer science, and incorporates elements of visual design and narrative to communicate data's story effectively. Now, you can see and you can observe this particular diagram. So, machine learning and deep learning can be utilized in data science. So, data science have different operations. So, the modeling part of data science can use machine learning to mm, take certain decisions, to take to make a predictive analysis. So, in this way, data science is related as far as both technologies are concerned. Now, we'll see how artificial intelligence and data science are related. Artificial intelligence is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. The goal of AI is to mimic the human and create systems that can function intelligently and independently. AI is not just a single technology or process, it is a collection of tasks and systems designed to simulate human intelligence. And the tasks are problem solving, knowledge representation and reasoning, decision making, communication, perception, and actuation. So these tasks actually constitute artificial intelligence. Now we will compare these tasks and data science approaches where data science can be utilized in these tasks. First, we'll observe problem solving. That is the very first task, or you could say that is one of the tasks of artificial intelligence, rather one of the fundamental tasks of AI. This involves the ability for machines to solve problems in a ways humans solve the problem. From maze game to play tic tac toe, rules can be written. AI systems can find solutions by searching through possibilities. So, if you have to solve these particular problems like maze game or tic tac toe, so what you will do, you will create a tree like structure and you will search the solution, the possible solutions. So, at this stage, since there is no data involved, so there is no any modeling. It just needs efficient algorithm such as A star, depth first search, or breadth first search. So using these algorithm, you can easily solve these type of problems. So at this stage, data science is not being applied in AI. Now we'll see the next stage of artificial intelligence, that is knowledge representation and reasoning. AI must not only solve problems but also know and understand the world. Knowledge representation and reasoning involve creating complex rules and apply reasoning. Let's see an example of 8 queens problem, which is a very popular problem. The 8 queens problem is the challenge of placing 8 chess queens on an 8 cross 8 chessboards so that no two queens threaten each other. Thus, a solution requires that no queues share the same row, column, or diagonal. So, it needs a complex rules. Again, at this stage, there is no use of that data, so no modeling is needed. So what we need to have, we need to write a complex rules that would be sufficient at this stage. We can use propositional and first order logic to solve these type of problem. So again, at this stage, there is no involvement of data science in this stage of AI. Let's discuss decision making. AI systems are also tasked with making decisions. Decision making in AI involves choosing the best option from a set of alternatives based on certain criteria. This should be as simple as deciding which move to make in a game, or as complex as autonomous vehicles deciding how to navigate traffic. So, if agent need to decide the route depending on the traffic, so agent need to be designed so, right? If rules are well known and simple, that then it can be encoded using knowledge representation. But if the rules are too complex and even unknown, especially for new type of problems, then in this case we can take help from machine learning, reinforcement learning, or deep learning. Hence the system will automatically learn the rules. So at this stage we can take help from data science. So there is a convergence between data science and AI at this stage. The next stage of AI is communication, perception, and actuation. AI's ability to communicate is another critical task. This encompasses understanding and generating human like language, which means AI can read text, listen to speech, and even respond. This is actually area of natural language processing that includes natural language understanding and natural language generation. Modern day NLP, that is natural language processing, is data driven, and machine learning as well as deep learning is best choice for these type of NLPs. Before 2 decades or 3 decades, since we were not having machine learning and deep learning concept, so at those times these type of problems was solved using the rules, using the expert systems that was based on uh, complex type of rules. We can take an example of an agent that can perform voice analysis using machine learning or deep learning. So at this stage again, data science can be applied to AI. So there is a convergence between data science and AI. Perception is the task that allows AI to perceive the world through sensory information. This is how self driving cars see the road and how robots can feel the shape of an object, and even how robots can communicate to others. Modern day computer vision and speech are data driven. Finally, actuation is the task that enables AI to affect the physical world. This means converting digital decisions and computations into physical actions, such as robotic arm assembling a car. Here agent can use reinforcement learning to optimize its task. We'll see the idea behind the reinforcement learning in uh, next weeks. So at this stage, AI and data science will converge. So data science can be applied at this stage also. So here we can see a diagram where there is a relation between AI and data science. So AI can utilize the functionality of data science at some stages, the stages that we have seen, right? At the stage of perception, actuation, decision making. So here data science can be applied to artificial intelligence. So there is a uh, convergence between AI and data science. Now we will compare data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning as a whole. So the focus of data science is to extract insight from structured as well as unstructured data for decision making and planning. So, this is the focus of data science. While the focus of AI is to enable computers to accomplish complex intellectual tasks like humans. And the focus of machine learning is to provide a way to synthesize data, learn from it, and use the insights to improve over time. While the application is concerned, so data science can be used to solve business problems using descriptive and predictive analytics, while AI can be applied to perform tasks like humans by learning reasoning and self correction, while machine learning can apply to extract knowledge from data, to learn from the data and make predictions. And here are the certain examples of data science, AI, and machine learning. The example of data science is to disease prediction, financial analysis. So we can apply data science in different type of predictions, like uh, diabetic diabetes prediction or lung cancer prediction. So at different type of predictions it can be applied. AI, the example of AI is robots, voice assistants, online gaming. So these are the examples of AI, while the examples of machine learning are recommendation system, health monitoring. So these are the examples of machine learning. Now we'll see how AI, machine learning, and data science as a whole are interrelated. So you can observe this particular diagram where machine learning and deep learning are subset of AI. So AI is superset of these technologies, while data science can be applied to AI for some of the stages of AI. Similarly, data science can take help from machine learning as far as modeling is concerned. So these three technologies are very much interrelated. Now the today's application that are coming into the market is actually the combination of these type of technologies. Let's say the example of ChatGPT, which is a large language model, right? So ChatGPT itself is utilizing these type of technologies to provide meaningful information to users, right? So here there is a uh, combination of all these technologies. So we have seen how AI, data science, and machine learning are interrelated. Although the focus of this course is on data science using Python, but these terms need to be understand, right? So in so to summarize what we have seen in today's lecture. So we had discussed how data science is related with machine learning, the way AI and data science are related. So we have seen the relation between artificial intelligence and data science. Finally, the relation between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science has been established. So the concept of all these three technologies will be very much useful for in the long run, and we will focus on data science aspect only. In next lecture, we will discuss introduction of Python, where we will introduce the basic concepts of Python language. I'm stopping here. Thank you for joining this lecture. We'll meet in next lecture.